Alright guys, we got it set up. We got our vise set up. It's not perfect yet. We're still tuning on it majorly. We still haven't got our belt guard built, but I'm experimenting. And the best part is that this is what we've done so far. Of course, we have our speed control, but we can go and reverse it, right? So now we got down here, we got forward and reverse and speed control. More to be added later, but this is what we're doing. So right now I've got a little piece of 3/4 in there, just playing around. I don't know what we have. For control here, just a test, just to see what happens. Got ourselves a little Char's end mill in there, a little cheapo. They seem to work well for what they cost. Just to see what we need to do to adjust things, guys. This is not going to be perfect in any manner at all. We're just seeing what we have from our homemade little mill drill press combination. Alright, I accommodated that switch for an emergency stop. However, all you got to do if you don't have an emergency is just put it in the middle down there and it stops. Alright, so let's see what we got. Ugh. Get this vise opened up. Yeah, that's not a bad cut for yeah, it's not a bad cut at all. Let's bring you guys in where you can see it. It's not a bad cut. I mean, for taking a drill press and turning it into a mill, I think we did well. That's just a shallow cut, but with a 1/4 inch end mill. But yeah, works well. Works very well. I like it, guys. We can make that cut deeper if we want to. No problem. Still have a little bit of wiring right here that's sticking out, and we still have to get our belt guard on. But hey, I think we did well. Motor's stone cold. It didn't even pull it. But yeah, it's a good little cut. Right on. I like it. Sweet. So now we have a little mill / drill press. And I still have that for a drill press if I need it. But hey, free biscuits. Treadmill motor and a little bit of tweaking and a little vise. I think we got something that we can use now. Alright, take it easy, guys. Remember, if you watch it, thumb it up. If you have questions, comments, leave them. I'll answer them the best I can. But, yeah, milled a little slot in there. Pretty nice one. And it's straight. Anyway, take care, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.